Hello lovely people out there, this is your Star Guide Nikita and welcome back to Nikki's Star Guide YouTube channel. As always, if you are new to the channel then please consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so that you will always stay connected with Nikki's Star Guide through astrological videos. And in today's video, we are going to talk about the retrograde motion of planets in astrology, that is Vedic astrology, and what does the significance or the effect of planet when it turns retrograde, either in transit or in horoscope, have or leaves on our personal life. So stay tuned till the end, and of course we are going to make this the series on retrograde planets, and this video will include all the general significance and important information about what is the significance of the retrograde planets, and in next videos of this series we will understand what happens when a certain planet is retrograde. And as always, if you want to take a consultation from me regarding your horoscope, then you can send an email to nikkistarguide@gmail.com, and the mail ID is given in the description section. So without any further ado, let's get started. So only the planets apart from Sun and Moon can turn retrograde, that is the planet Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter and Saturn. Rahu and Ketu are already, they are the shadow planets and they are already retrograde, as we all know. And retrogression of planet is an astronomical phenomenon. In scientific language, the retrogression motion of a planet is named as the apparent backward motion of a planet, where when observed from Earth, we see we observe that a planet is moving in a backward direction, but it's just an illusion created because of the orbit of the Earth as well as the motion and the orbit of planets revolving around Sun in our solar system. And now let's try to understand with the help of a presentation of what is the signification or the significance of the planets which are retrograde. A retrograde planet in astrology is considered to be of major importance as it represents the prarabdha karma or the pending karma that one is supposed to perform during this lifetime. Hence, you will observe that whichever planet is retrograde in a person's horoscope, that person is extremely concerned about the significance of the planet which is retrograde in his or her chart, as well as the significance as per the houses ruled by it and the house where the retrograde planet is situated in a horoscope. As I mentioned before, that a person will always be mainly concerned about the significance of the planet which is retrograde in the horoscope, and that is why the key to deal with the retrograde planets is to not let the concern become a over concern, or to not get overly scrutinizing or worried about the significance of a planet which is retrograde, and do not let the concern let you make paralyzed, but opposite to that, we have to help it empower ourselves, and we have to utilize the energy of retrograde planet in order to rectify our part of karma towards the significance of the planet which is retrograde in our horoscope. And that is how we will nullify the past life debts and the pending prarabdha that we have towards that planet. One cannot escape the karma, the duties, responsibilities and the significance of the planet which is retrograde in our horoscope in this lifetime, and the native is supposed to go through tremendous transformative events, constant self-introspection, and there will be lots of learnings to learn, lots of things to unlearn during this time, in this lifetime when a planet is retrograde, and there will be many lessons to be learned during this lifetime regarding the significance of the planet which is retrograde in a person's horoscope. The retrograde planet behaves or delivers results in a quite erratic, unconventional or unexpected manner, if I have to sum it up, and there can be a need of bringing revolution or setting up a unique path to follow for the person himself or herself, or they can be a revolutionary people itself who will set up a new unique path for the world to follow. And that is what the attitude of a person will be. There can be a need to follow a unique path to follow towards the significance of that house where the retrograde planet is placed, as well as the houses ruled by it, because now the karakatva or the agenda of a planet is coming under the influence of the lord of that planet turning retrograde, and that is why the results will also be erratic. The results will also be unconventional, unexpected, and revolutionary as well. A retrograde planet is supposed to have the highest cheshta bal, that is emotional strength. Now let's try to understand the significance of a retrograde planet and what does it exactly mean with the help of a simple example. Suppose a student is about to appear for an exam which is getting started from the next day itself and which will continue for the upcoming 15 days of time. Now, during the examination time, what will the student do? As we all know, the student will prepare for several subjects for which he has to learn and unlearn lots of concepts for various subjects. He have to understand and remember the important lessons, outcomes, procedures, calculations, or he has to figure out the answers for various questions, right? Only then he will be able to attain good grades in the examination. Only then he will be able to have a smooth time during the examinations, right? And which will eventually prove out to be helpful in his overall academics. Same way, a native has to go through the process of learning, unlearning, understanding various concepts regarding the significance of the planet which is retrograde in a horoscope, as well as one is supposed to be reflecting, redoing, reassessing the aspects of life and his or her own behavior, as well as the approach towards the significance of the planet which is retrograde in one's horoscope. If a planet is retrograde in the Dusthanas, that is the 6th, 8th and the 12th house, then it can show more amount of karma to be performed in this lifetime, as 6th, 8th and 12th houses are the malefic houses, or they can be troublesome in a native's life if not dealt with care, and that is why when a retrograde planet is placed in the Dusthanas, it shows a major part of karma has to be performed towards the significance of these houses and as well as the planet. Same goes when a retrograde planet is impacted, that is aspected or conjoined with malefic planets, and if a planet that is retrograde is weak in dignity, suppose if it's combust or it's in enemy sign, it's ill placed without the digbala, or the Shatbala points are low, or if it's afflicted, then also a native has to put a lot of efforts consistently to finally burn the prarabdha and to finally being able to enjoy the fruits of his labor positively during this lifetime. So this was it about the significance of retrogression motion of planets, and in the next video we will try to understand what happens when a certain planet is retrograde in a horoscope.